Hi guys, and welcome to this video. So in this video I'll be giving you a brief walkthrough on how we handle stock control in Venta POS. Now there are instances whereby your cashiers at your sales outlet, they sell products that you don't have in stock just because they are used to making mistakes, and then this is common in retailing. Now what we are doing is we are actually keeping a strict way of handling stocks when the cashier is making a bill. That is to say, the moment an item is being sold, the stock is updated lively. When it's also being refunded, the stock is brought back lively. And then at the end of the day, the cashier sees the total stock they have available, and then they don't sell more than. Now, if they also try to sell more than what is available, the system won't permit them. And let me just take you through. So first, if you can see in our billing screen, we have under drinks Malta Guinness. You notice that we've added some text over here, number, which is the current stock. It has 10. So let's say one customer comes and then buys 5 pieces of Malta Guinness, and then we sell this as cash. One thing you will notice is that when you switch between the category again, you notice there is 5 pieces remaining, right? Now let's sell the remaining 5 to the next customer of Malta Guinness. Now this customer comes and then they buy it as a card payment. Now when this transaction is done and then you switch between the categories, you notice that now Malta Guinness has 0. Okay, so assuming the customer walks in and then the cashier says, let me point Malta Guinness because it's 15 cedis and the item they are buying is also 15 cedis, and I don't know the barcode for the item they are buying. I don't want to stress. Let me just point Malta Guinness since it's the same price. When they try adding Malta Guinness, the system will compute and give them an error that quantity that you are trying to do, 1, is less than the stock that is available, 0. So that is to say, let's just switch an item that also has a lot of stock. Okay, let's say this breadcrumbs has 94 items. So let's say someone is trying to sell this 100 pieces of this when all you have is 94. The system will still give that error saying quantity 100 is less than the stock that is available, 94, and it won't add it to the cart. Now there is one way of handling this from cashier point. Now from manager's point also, we've also kept an option that instead of this item showing and the cashier punching it and going back and forth, there is an option to actually flag this that it doesn't show in the billing screen, and I'll take you through. Now when you come to your inventory over here and you go to products, when you go to products over here, we just notice we have our Malta Guinness loaded, and you notice by the cloud available button that syncs this product to Venta Hub, we also have a button over here, and this is for item being available in billing screen. So if a cashier says, if the manager says, oh, this item is discontinued and I don't want to sell it anymore, they switch this button, and when you switch, it flags the product as item that we are not selling anymore. Now if you go to your inventory and then you download this, let's just download the whole products we've changed. After download is completed, when a cashier goes to their billing screen, one thing you should notice is that the item will not exist again. Now if we filter, you notice drink is not there. Drink is not there because drink had only one item in that category, and then that one item it has in the category has been flagged as item we can't sell. So this is how we handle this scenario in Venta POS, and then we actually make sure that it actually streamlines your operations.